Compared to the hair that you saw me last time, I'm fresh right now.
This has been our salesperson. We're at Autobahns, and I'm recording this. And we're walking up to it.
Alright, this is
And that's my
GLC 60B.
This is my wife's GLC.
It's all ready to go.
Oh, there it is. Thank you, Ben.
No problem, man.
I'm gonna post you up. Ben's all, oh no.
Oh no. A lot of enemy out there.
No. He's like, what? You know him?
Lots of enemy out there.
Oh no. Look at that. Ah, this is a new car. Sorry, I'm a little shaky. It's a little chilly over here. And this is it, guys. This is my honey's car. So we got brilliant blue. And this has the night package with the extended spoiler, the aero kit. Ben is appreciating all this hard work through the pandemic.
Go around, I'll turn it on.
Oh.
1 or 2 times.
Oh, okay.
The sounds as well.
So Ben's gonna do a.
That's what you should do it. Turn on
You're
the
gonna
car,
do a
turn
hot
on
start.
sport mode, wrap it a little bit.
No, she doesn't know what you're talking about with that. You should do it.
Just go on the car. I'll show you how to do it.
You mean the expression mode, like hold the paddle and start it?
Oh no, just turn it on. And,
Because I thought you can hold the paddle, right? Yeah, we're gonna get some different wheels for this. It needs to be filled out more. They're gonna do a hot start, but
I took it to gas up the car.
how'd she drive, Ben? Just like all the other ones? Ooh, there it is with the aero pack. Now we just opened the valve. Ouch. Can you guys believe this is a stock exhaust? Well, we gotta do some paperwork. We'll get her home soon. How'd she feel, honey?
It's nice.
Rumbly?
Rumbly.
Yeah.
Nice.
A little bit different. All right, we'll be there. Well, this is my honey driving in the beast, next to the beast. The GLC 63 AMG SUV, fastest SUV around, baby. No, I'm just kidding. But it is fast, and we're going to make it faster, so stay tuned. Oh, honey, let me see. Okay, go in a little bit. Good. Wait, can you go in a little bit more forward? Yeah. Just a let it walk a little bit. Little stop. Yeah. Park it. Beautiful. She's home, guys. This is it. One beast next to another.